Get ready for the ultimate mobile experience with the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. With its cutting-edge technology and sleek design, this phone will leave you saying, OMG, look at this! Are you ready for the ultimate smartphone experience? Look no further than the new Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. This cutting-edge device boasts a sleek design and advanced features that will leave you breathless. With a massive 200-megapixel camera, you can capture every moment in stunning detail. The S23 Ultra's 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display delivers an immersive viewing experience like never before. And with its powerful processor and advanced technology, this phone is built to handle anything you throw at it. Samsung has been at the forefront of camera technology for quite some time now, and it has been producing 200-megapixel sensors for years. However, the company has yet to include such a high-resolution sensor on its own flagship smartphones. This is a surprising fact, given that Samsung is known for pushing the boundaries of technology and offering the latest and greatest features on its devices. Last year's Galaxy S22 Ultra was a prime example of this, as it included a 108-megapixel sensor for its main camera. This was a major step forward for smartphone cameras, as it allowed for stunningly detailed and high-resolution photos. But now, Samsung is taking it to the next level with its new sensor. This new sensor almost doubles the resolution, meaning that users will be able to capture even more detail and clarity in their photos. That the device will be equipped with a camera that boasts an impressive 200 megapixels. While it is not yet confirmed that this rumor is true, many experts in the field believe it to be a likely possibility. However, it should be noted that the 200 megapixels camera on the S23 Ultra will not be the same as the HP1 sensor found on other devices. Instead, the device is rumored to feature a completely new shooter that has been designed to deliver superior low-light performance. This is an exciting development, as low-light photography has always been a major challenge for smartphone cameras. This new camera technology is said to utilize advanced image processing techniques to improve the quality of photos taken in low-light conditions. Additionally, it is also believed that the camera will have a larger sensor size and a wider aperture, which will further enhance its low-light capabilities. Overall, the rumors surrounding the camera on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra are certainly intriguing. However, just 2 weeks before the Galaxy S23 Ultra launch, Samsung has announced its third 200-megapixel ISOCELL sensor, the Samsung ISOCELL HP2. The specs of this sensor match exactly what is rumored to be in the Galaxy S23 Ultra, including a size of 1.13 by 0.6 micrometer pixels. Samsung has been producing 200-megapixel sensors for years, but so far it has yet to include such a high-resolution sensor on its own flagship smartphones. Last year's Galaxy S22 Ultra, for example, included a 108-megapixel sensor for its main camera, but its new sensor almost doubles the resolution. This chapter of the megapixel race, it's all about pixel binning. Samsung already employs this with its 108-megapixel sensor, and taking a super high-res photo isn't the point. Rather, combining individual pixels into 4x4 or 2x2 configurations is called pixel binning. This increases their effective size, allowing them to gather more light and detail. So, the ISOCELL HP2 can bend every 4 pixels to effectively make them 1.2 micrometers in size and produce 50 megapixels images, or bin 16 for even larger 2.4 micrometer pixels and 12.5 megapixel images. This 1.2 micrometer mode is used to record 8K video at 30 FPS, and the sensor also supports filming at 4K HDR and 60 FPS. The new sensor uses a technology Samsung is calling dual vertical transfer gate, which it says helps the sensor reduce overexposure and produce better colors in bright conditions. Samsung says the new sensor has already entered mass production just in time for the launch of its upcoming flagship smartphone. It's so good, in fact, that it will represent the biggest leap in a Samsung flagship camera in 5 years. Those are definitely strong words right there, and it remains to be seen if the S23 Ultra can really deliver what's being rumored here. But if it does, it has the potential to be the most exciting Samsung flagship device in some time. Lastly, Samsung's latest 200 megapixels ISOCELL camera packs impressive specs and features that have the potential to beat the other competitors in the market. However, it remains to be seen if the S23 Ultra can really deliver what's being rumored here. Well, that's all for today. With advanced low-light capabilities, a large sensor size, and a wider aperture, this phone will allow you to capture every moment in stunning detail. Get ready for the ultimate mobile experience and mark your calendars for the release of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in 2 weeks. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tech updates.